G'day viewers, Andy from Grace Builds. Got a little bit different video for you today. It's a little bit more specific to a different type of job in the household, but one probably all of us home handymen have ever encountered before. The washing machine broke. The front seal or gasket on the door started leaking, and so therefore instead of spending a few $100s on a new washing machine, you can buy these separately from eBay and other online retailers, and they're relatively easy to change. So this video we're going to go through a bit of a tutorial, show you on a Bosch front loader. It's all relatively similar to most of the other machines, but I'll explain things as I go. Cheers! So this is the Bosch front loader. It's a few years old now. The problem is these gaskets where the water sits in them, as you can see, there's a bit of muck sitting in there, and over time the gaskets wear. This one, a chunk is torn out, and of course this gasket seals against the glass bowl at the front, so as the machine fills, water spills out onto the floor. I guess that's why laundries have drains in the floor. But it's a relatively easy job to change the gasket. You don't have to pay a repairman a fortune to come out and replace it for you. I think the gasket seal for this was about $60 delivered, and it should take about 15 minutes to change. First thing with working on any piece of electrical equipment, make sure it's isolated from power and disconnected. These machines use Torx bits to get into, and it's relatively straightforward to remove the front fascia to be able to get into this seal. First thing we need to do is, on the seal there's a ring that runs around the outside of the seal, and it has a spring in one part of it. You find that spring with a pry bar and pull that retaining clip out. Once you've done that, you can peel the seal, the gasket off the front, poke it inside the machine, because this front section is going to come away. Remove the soap dispenser. It's just a push button at the top, that part there, and then it slides straight out. Then you've got 1, 2, 3 screws on this side and one on here, but you also need to take off the top section. Torx bits, next size down. So slightly different sizes. Make sure you take note of where they come from. It's a T10 Torx bits for this end, and a T11 T15 Torx bits for the 3 here. 2 of which look like this and go into here, and the lower one, and then the third one, same size but different thread, screws in through into the metal in the back. We've got two T15s on the back. Again, machine thread. And this top section just clips in at the front and lifts off. Front section lifts off, and normally you have enough cable to be able to pull it up on top, get it out of the road. This machine has another Torx T15 down the bottom. Slides off to the end, and then you should have two more T15s down the bottom. Take the front panel off, just be careful with wiring for the door interlock. And it has a plug, unplugs. This model has this is the soft node dispenser, which pushes into the top here. And then this is the concrete stabilising ring, and in behind that, a little bit harder to see, there's another spring. Obviously be very careful with the new seal. The old one doesn't matter. And then the old one just peels off like that. Discard the old seal. New seal has the dispenser at the top and drain holes, and they go at 6 o'clock down the bottom. Again, be careful with the new seal, don't puncture it. Slide it in around the stainless steel bowl. sure you got the seal completely over the edge, right around there. You can put the spring retaining back over the top. Replace the softener dispenser hose. And then you can start the reassembly of the front. Last job, pull the seal out the front. Put it over the edge. Once you've got the seal in place, the ring around the edge.